What is stomach acid's role in ulcer formation? Imagine your stomach as a busy factory that breaks down food with the help of powerful acids. These acids are essential for digestion, but they need to be carefully controlled. When everything works smoothly, the acid helps break down food while a protective lining shields the stomach and duodenum from damage. But sometimes, this balance gets disrupted, and that's when problems can start. Stomach acid, mainly hydrochloric acid, is produced by special cells called parietal cells. These cells releases acid in response to signals from hormones like gastrin, as well as nerve signals. The acid's job is to help digest food, but it's also kept in check by mucus and bicarbonate secreted by the stomach lining. These substances form a protective barrier that neutralizes acid near the stomach wall, preventing injury. Problems happen when this barrier weakens or when the stomach produces too much acid. For example, if the mucus layer is damaged or reduced, acid can directly contact the delicate lining of the stomach or the upper part of the small intestine, called the duodenum. This contact causes erosion and inflammation, leading to ulcers, which are painful sores. One major factor in ulcer formation is infection with Helicobacter pylori bacteria. These bacteria can colonize the stomach lining, causing chronic inflammation and damaging the cells that produce bicarbonate. This damage makes the lining more vulnerable to acid. Sometimes, H. pylori infection also causes the stomach to produce more acid, especially in the duodenum, which can increase the risk of ulcers. Another common cause involves the use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. These medications, like ibuprofen, inhibit enzymes called cyclooxygenases. This reduces prostaglandin production, which normally helps maintain the mucus barrier and blood flow to the stomach lining. Without enough prostaglandins, the lining becomes weaker and less able to defend itself against acid, increasing the chance of ulcers. Excessive acid secretion itself can also lead to ulcers. Conditions like Zollinger-Ellison syndrome cause the stomach to produce too much acid, overwhelming the protective defenses and leading to ulcer formation, especially in the duodenum. In essence, stomach acid isn't inherently harmful. It's a vital part of digestion. But when the protective barriers are compromised or acid production is abnormally high, the acid can damage the lining, resulting in ulcers. Managing acid levels and supporting mucosal health are key parts of treatment. Eating a diet rich in fiber can help support the mucosal lining and reduce irritation. Always remember, if you suspect an ulcer or experience persistent stomach pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.